If you crack your own neck, watch this before it's too late. I know it feels good for a second, but here's what's really happening to your neck. Every time you force your neck to pop, you're stretching the ligaments around the joint, which can lead to more instability. This then makes your neck even more stiffer and makes you want to crack your neck even more. When you crack your own neck, you're not moving the joints that actually need it. Instead, you're forcing movement in joints that are already loose, which can lead to more wear and tear. Twisting your neck aggressively can compress blood vessels, which in rare cases can lead to dizziness, headaches, and even strokes. You don't need to crack your neck, you just need the right support and the right movement. And if you do have neck pain, visit a professional who can assess and treat your neck safely.